Here you go. Revive. AOGG! Today's day 1 of trying creatine. We'll see if it works. Of course it works. Here you go. By the way, I got this creatine from Joel, the beloved husband of Obscene Explorer. Thank you, Mama, for this creatine. We'll see kung anong magagawa nito sa katawan ko. We'll see. Creatine, what does it do? I've done my research. And by research, I mean ChatGPT. So what does it do with my body? It absorbs water in the muscle cells. Tama ba? Basta. Ayan. Para maiba naman, let's try Revive. And I check. Pwede naman daw siya ihalo sa Revive. So this is me, day 1. This is my body, day 1 of taking creatine. Let's see. Ayan na. So it says here, for 5 grams daily. That's already enough. Ayan, so ito yung 5 grams. 1 scoop is equal to 5 grams. Ang init. Hindi masarap. By the way, I'm filming this kasi may nakita ako sa Facebook ni si Yasmin Curdy na she's taking law and parang binash siya na we're just taking law just to flex. Tapos yung response niya was beautiful. She said, sometimes nakalimutan ko na. Pero the thought is, life is too short. If you want to do something, then just do it. Don't wait for the approval of others, and don't wait for the approval or the standards of others. Document it, film it, take a picture of it, and enjoy the process. So we'll see. Ayan na, so we have the creatine here, and parang si Professor Newtonio. Revive baka naman. What else? Where's my food? So eto na. We're mixing it. Ay, Funny Life ba yan? Funny Life. So this is 1 mug, 1 cup of Revive with creatine. Wait lang kasi! Ay, hindi natunaw! Wait lang, bebe. Dapat kasi daw tunawin lahat. Ay, sorry. Do you want to drink? Ayan. 5 grams of... 5 grams ba yun? 5 grams ata. 5 grams of creatine with Revive. 1 bottle of Revive. Wait lang, bebe. Take a look. Okay. So yun, this is day 1, documenting. Wala namang natira, di ba? Ano ba? Wala namang messages. Okay, then see you tomorrow for day 2 of taking creatine. I'm planning to do this for like 2 weeks. Sabi kasi, after taking it for a week or 2, your muscle looks fuller because it absorbs more water. By the way, I just got from the gym and then uy, matagak ka. And sabi naman na walang specific time to take creatine. You just need to take it 5 grams a day. So this is day 1 of me taking creatine. Let's see if after a week or 2 it will be fuller. And I think that's all. See you on day 2.